Now let us look at number 4, question number 3. So 5 by 6 plus 8 by 9 plus 11 by 18 plus 13 by 27. As you can see here, the denominators are all different. So we have to take the LCM of these denominators. I have showed the LCM here. So on calculating the LCM, we get 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 54. So in all these fractions, we have to make the denominator 54. So 5 by 6, now 54 divided by 6 is 9. So 5 into 9 by 6 into 9. That means 5 into 9 is 45 and 6 into 9 is 54. So the fraction is 45 by 54. Now again 54 divided by 9, we get 6. So we have to multiply 6 in the numerator and denominator. 8 into 6 by 9 into 6. This is equal to 48 by 54. Our next fraction is 11 by 18. So 54 divided by 18, we will get 3. So multiplying 3 in the numerator and denominator, we get 11 into 3 by 18 into 3. So this is equals to 33 by 54. Then we have 13 by 27. If we divide 54 by 27, we will get 2. So we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator. So this is equal to 13 into 2 by 27 into 2. So this is equal to 26 by 54. So after converting those fractions, we have to add these. So we are going to add, instead of 56, we write 45 by 54. Sorry, instead of 5 by 6, we write 45 by 54. Instead of 8 by 9, 48 by 54. Instead of 11 by 18, 33 by 54. And instead of 13 by 27, we write 26 by 54. Now, if we see here, we have the common denominator, 54, in all these fractions. So we will write 54 here, and we have to add up the numerators. That is 45 plus 48 plus 33 plus 26. So if you add these up, you will be getting 152 by 54. Now if you see, 152 and 54 have a common factor, that is 2. So we are going to divide this by 2. We are going to reduce this. So on dividing these 2 by 2, we get 76 by 27. Now this is an improper fraction. So we will have to convert this into mixed fraction. I have shown it here. If you divide 76 by 27, you will get 2 as quotient and 22 as remainder. So our fraction will be 222 by 27. So this is our answer. Now let us move to number 6, which is find the difference. So number 1 is 9 by 11 minus 5 by 11. See, we have the same denominator. So we will write 111 here. We will take the common denominator here. And then we have to subtract the numerators. It's 4 and the denominator is 11. So our answer is 4 by 11. Now number 7, 4. 5 minus 2, 3 by 4. See, 5 in the form of fraction. 5 is a whole number. But in the form of fraction, it can be written as 5 by 1. Minus, this is a mixed fraction, so we have to convert this into improper fraction. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 by 4. Now if you see, the denominators are different. And if you see 1 and 4, if you take 1 and 4, if you find out the LCM, you will get 4. So we have to make this denominator as 4 and this also, but this is already 4. So here we can simply multiply 1 both in the numerator and denominator, but because this is already 4. And this one we have to make this 4. So we have to multiply 4 here in the denominator and 4 in the numerator. So this becomes 5 into 4 by 1 into 4. And this is 11 into 1 by 4 into 1. Now if you solve this, 5 into 4 is 20 by 1 into 4 is 4. And 11 into 1 is 11 by 4 into 1 is 4. Now if you subtract these two, 4 is common, 4 will come in the denominator and 20 minus 11 in the numerator. 20 minus 11 is 9. So we got 9 by 4. And if you, I have showed the rough here, if you divide this, so 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. So you will get 2 in the quotient and 1 as remainder. So the answer will be 2 1 by 4. Now look at question number 8, number 3. 12 minus 6, 5 by 8. Since 12 is a whole number, it can be written as 12 by 1 as fraction. and 8 by 5 by 8. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert this into improper fraction. So 8 into 6 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. So this will become 53 by 8. Now you can see both the denominators are different. The denominators are 1 and 8. So we have to calculate the LCM of 1 and 8. We will get 8. So we have to make this denominator as 8. This is already 8. So in order to make 1 as 8, we have to multiply 1 by 8. So we are going to multiply here 8, and in the numerator also we are going to multiply it with 8. So 12 into 8 by 1 into 8 minus 53 and 8. Here we are, this one is already 8, so we are going to multiply this with 1. So 53 into 1 by 8 into 1. Now if you solve this, you will get 12 into 8 is 96 by 1 into 8 is 8. Minus 53 into 1 is 53 by 8 into 1 is 8. Again you can see you have the same denominator here. So we will write 8 common, and we have to subtract 96 and 53 in the numerator. So 96 minus 53 by 8, this is equal to 43 by 8. Now if you divide this, I have performed the division here in the rough column. 43 divided by 8, you will get 5. 8 5s are 40. So 43 minus 40 is 3. So 5 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. So the answer will be 5, 3 by 8.